Hey guys, it's Hailey and today we're going to be making lemon cookies. This was a recipe given to me by my cousin Ella and she's allergic to dairy, so this recipe is also dairy free. And I don't know if you can read it, but my shirt says, "Cousins make the best friends," and they do. I miss you so much, Ella, and if any of my other cousins are watching this, I miss you guys all too. So the first thing we're gonna do is combine all of the dry ingredients. I have 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl, and you wanna make sure that you spoon your flour into the measuring cup and you level it off otherwise you're gonna pack in too much flour. And then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just go and put that in there. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Perfect. And now I'm just gonna stir this all together. And once you're done mixing together all of your dry ingredients, set that aside, and you're gonna need a medium to large bowl. And I'm going to pour in 1/2 cup of vegetable shortening, and you want this to be at room temperature. This is actually my first time using shortening to bake, so this will be interesting. And then I'm also gonna pour in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. And I'm just going to beat this all together. You're gonna need to beat it for about 3 minutes so it can get nice and light and fluffy. My hand hurts. I've only been beating it for like 2 minutes. It hurts. And don't forget to scrape down the bottom and the sides of your bowl. All right, I'm finally done mixing, and now I'm gonna add in 1 large egg yolk. Huh?
Yeah, so they're gonna be extra good.
This is how we communicate. And now we have 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And last but certainly not least, because it's the main flavor in the cookie, I have the zest of 2 lemons. You're gonna need 2 lemons and you're gonna zest it. This one is already zested. See here? That's the zest of the lemon. Now we're gonna zest this one. You just take it and go like that. And I have a yellow ramekin today to match my lemons. I always forget about my colored ramekins, but I got it out this time because they're so cute. And now I'm just gonna beat that all together until it's nicely combined. And once all of that's mixed together, we're going to gradually add the dry mixture. So just mixture. So just add it a few spoonfuls at a time and mix it in. And now we're going to scoop out the cookies. I have a baking sheet here, and I'm gonna use a cookie scoop to scoop out the cookies so that they're all exactly the same size, but you don't have to use a cookie scoop, obviously. And I'm just gonna put some dough in there. I'm gonna scoop it up. And then I'm gonna put the dough in my hand and roll it in some sugar. We have a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. I'm just gonna roll it in the sugar. And then I'm gonna place it onto my baking sheet. And now I'm ready to bake them. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake these for 9 to 11 minutes. They smell so good, and you can see they're just barely getting golden on the edges, and you can tell they're done because they don't look glossy at all. And voila, the lemon cookies are all done. I have them displayed on this new thingamabigger. I don't know what it's called. But Jerry made it for me. It's super cool. It turns the plate so I can take a video of it, and it's like super fancy. Now I'm gonna try one. It's crispy and soft at the same time, and it has such a good lemon flavor, and then there's like the sugar. So good. This is one of my new favorite cookies. Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. Thank you again, Ella, for this recipe. It was super amazing. Let me know if you ever bake these at home because you seriously should give these a try. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel so that everybody can have this delicious recipe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, Andrew, what are you
Hey, what's this?
Lemon cookie.
Oh.
You just took the cookie.
It's really good.
Thank you.
There's like a powdery sugar on top of it.
Yes, I rolled them in sugar.
Like a sugar lemon cookie.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's really good.
You can take one to Sam and Alex.
Yes, here.
Okay.
Get a plate.